Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Ginger Scallion Sliced Fish. Simple sliced fish dish, but more importantly is tasty. Who says good food is hard to make? Here's how you can make an easy one. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Slice the fillet into small pieces. Mix all the condiments for marinade into the fish for around 10 minutes. Cut scallion into around 3 to 5 cm each. Slice the ginger. Mince the garlic. And the cooking begins. Add in some oil in a wok. Add in the fish and stir fry. Once the fish is around half cooked, remove the fish. Add in some oil, ginger and garlic and stir till golden brown. Pour in around 2 cups of chicken stock. Condiments goes in now. And then the scallion. Add in the cornstarch solution slowly until the consistency you want. Add in the fish and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Give it a taste and see if it's savory enough. And it's done. Let's eat. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!